procrastinator, betraying you to put aside your passion. You're on the same page of life's book, pick up the paint, beat the brighter picture. That specific chapter could possibly change your entire story plot. Just be patient and pay attention. There's no need to pull a pistol, pussy. Promise every prayer's gonna push you. Leave plenty of room for improvements. So be
dis van die rest as ek wil kaasikke. Sy nog minder gaan en trek ek praat ek straattippe. Kappadien ek 'n soldaatikke. Baas met 'n bajonet is dit bestaal dikke cool kitte. Ek stel die blomme van jou graf af. Jou nummers maak die foon, ek stel die syfers van jou WhatsApp. Ja, nou eerlik, dis 'n seker kragtig. Met bloeme sê ek rook net soos 'n vingers, dis 'n sessie. Ja, God, is al ek dak af wil ek wallets in my in jou mag pyn. Kak skyn, ons ek ran die game. Sy wyn, los lyn, vertikaal op dwars. Kraak vars, net die beat tot die condom bars.
Yo, it's D-Dot, the GOAT, bro. Your favorite
reactor from the buy. What is good, familia? Hope you all are doing good. I just want to say a big extra thank you to each and everybody that's been supporting my journey. Thank you to each and everybody that's joined the 4 Books Familia reactions. I want to just say thank you to each and every one of you. You guys,
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you
We don't care.
are all aces for supporting me throughout this journey, really. And I told you guys I'm back like I'm never left. And today we got a boodskap for the oorskap on the table today. We got a track from Rizzo Real. I'm not talking about a Rizzo Real collabed with Vision, or Rizzo Real collabed with Luxford, or Rizzo Real collabed with BH Express. No, fuck all of that.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
I'm talking about Rizzo Real dropped a single track, a solo track, and plus with him dropping that single track, he dropped a music video with that track called In a Kort Tyd with Rizzo Real. Damn, like Rizzo Real's vocals is always hypnotizing me, bro. It's always one of those like tracks that's gonna make you fall in love, me, bro. I always say that I listen to Rizzo Real's tracks, but it's the truth though.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
His voice like makes you fall in love with the concept of love, bro. I don't know why, I don't know how, but it just does for some reason. But yo, I'm excited to check this one. It dropped 2 weeks ago. I've been meaning to get a reaction out on this one, but you guys know the situation, you know. But anyways, we're back like we never left, like I said. So yo, let's get into this one without all that rambling, without all that nonsense talking. Let's get into this track because I know that's what you guys are here today.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you
We don't care.
To see. Ooh. If I'm not mistaken, this guitar playing is Rizzo himself that's busy playing this good guitar, or it's BH Express. But I know for a fact that the instrumentals that you guys are going to be hearing in most of their new tracks is like strictly raw, you know, like it was directly made with a guitar, not like a app that you has a guitar effect. They literally use the guitar to make this beat. So I fuck with everything's natural, bro. Alles is natural, hoor.
What an idiot!
Is baie natural. Is dit natural? Ja.
Ooh. I think he's talking about a chick here, né? That he used to date or something, or he was like spending time with and shit. In that little bit of time, things changed, me, bro. In that little bit of time, the love we had, the shit that we shared, like faded away, bro. In that, just that little time, bro, things can change. That's why I say always make right with your partner. Never go to bed angry or upset or in a fight with your partner. Because that few hours of sleep can make her think a whole lot of shit, and then the next day, that 4 or 5 year relationship is supposed to, it's gone.
What the fuck? No!
What did she show you? That liefde kon kry. That you can get love. Okay? face. At least this chick though, even though things ended badly with him and this chick, she still showed him that he can love and that it's possible to love somebody and like show love, not just to like family and friends and bones, but to a woman, like love a woman. Oh yeah. Open his soft spot. Whiskey got ace. I like this music video. I know we only seen 30 seconds of this music video, but I like the scenery of this music video. It's like a really deep video if you actually listen and you like look at the visualizers. This video is actually deep. I love this thing. Ooh.
Damn!
I think he said there, ne? Let me take a shot of this whiskey there and try and understand all like the thoughts that's going on in my head, all the shit that I'm thinking about, and like all the shit that's on my gedagtes and stuff. Let me take a sip of this whiskey and like try and understand what is going on in my cup, because I don't understand myself. Ooh. This is how I wish I could sing when you sing in the shower. You know, you guys that sing in the shower there, but you guys think that you guys have this Alicia Keys type of voice, but then you guys have this rough voice that sounds like it's been pulled out the gutters, my bro. Something that sounds rough and plucked and tough and everything. But this is like that voice that we think we have in the shower. Ooh. Sure. My bro. How much alcohol do you have on that table? Holy shit. I just see bottles and bottles of brown whiskey, bro. I just see bottles and bottles of brown liquor. Holy shit. I know what's happening after this video. I bet you Rizzo Real after this video, ne? I bet you got up on that chair and like, yes, guys, I'm actually fucked from drinking all this alcohol doing in this video. I bet you got like a tipsy or something drinking while I was doing this video. Ooh. Ooh. Joe. Joe. Dat liefde kan kruis. Yo. He's meaning like when that can go grey and means it can go old. That love can get old, my bro. Love can get old, and like the feeling, the love that you guys have for each other can get older, can fade away and shit, bro. Yo, damn, Rizzo. All I'm saying, eh, whatever doesn't show you the appreciation and the respect and bones that you deserve, bro. Doesn't show you the life and like what you need from a woman, bro. Like if that woman's not the woman that you want in your life, then you do not deserve her, bro. She does not deserve you at all. A woman that does not appreciate you and see you for who you really are and like see you for the world and bones. Nah, that woman's not worth it, bro. That woman's not worth it. So it's better. Whoa. Hey, Rizzo.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Yo, get a man in his feelings, go.
Elke uur saam met jou het gevoel of ons ek in paradijs land is.
So, 1 hour with you felt like 1,000 days. Damn. That just tells me that this man is not really in love. Because, like, if you love somebody, time is supposed to move faster when you're with this person, with you like your soulmate and bones. Not take a long. He said an hour feels like 1,000 days. So, this love is not really love, you know. Okay.
Die oë net glimlag. Vandag sit ek met memories, niks vriende nie, meer net enemies.
Now listen! That's called motherfucking bars, nigga! You know nothing about that!
Damn. Today I'm sitting here with just memories, with less friends and more enemies. Damn. He's sitting here today with all the memories of that past relationship, this woman that he's speaking about now. He's sitting with all those memories and with less friends that he had, because sometimes God takes out the things in your life to prepare you and give you something better. But what I feel like he's saying, less friends and more enemies, I feel like his friend group became less of friends and more enemies and friends. Like his friends turned against him or something. This is what I'm assuming, but away. Love this track though.
Sit in my kamer. Self-therapy.
Nee, this is soul music, bro. This is music for a soul, me, bro. Fuck, listen with your ears, bro. You must listen to with your soul with this track. Sis. Soul music.
Niks vriende nie, meer net enemies. Dis hoekom ek kan sit in my kamer.
Ooh.
Met self-therapie, dit is muziek. Something meant for me.
Ooh.
Yeah. I was never perfect, I'm fucked up. Damn! Too many times.
I respect you for that, my bro. A man that can admit that he's flawed and that he fucks up and shit, bro. A man that can admit to his flaws and admit when he's wrong sometimes and stuff, bro, is a man that I respect, my bro. A man that can take accountabilities for his life. I respect that. Like this man said, he's not perfect. He fucked up way too many times. He's not perfect. He's admitting that, bro, he's not perfect. And I respect that, bro. Because none of us are perfect. If you can show me someone that is 100% perfect, besides God, I will literally give you every single thing that I have to my name, I'll give it to you. And I know I'll never be able to pull through with that, because there's nobody in this world that is 100% perfect.
You could have walked out, but you chose to stay. Yeah. Guess I'm sorry.
Enough to make a grown man cry, but not this man. Get back in there, tear.
Could have walked out, man. I gave you like so many reasons and shit to walk out, but you chose to stay. I'm sorry that you stayed. I think he means by that, ne, is like he's hurt this chick so many times and stuff, ne, but she still chose to stay, and he's sorry about like all the shit that he did to this chick that made her, like, gave her that option that she could have left him and stuff, but he chose to stay. But let's see if he says maybe after this part sorry. Why is he sorry? Or is that the stick? Why is he sorry? Alright.
For the unknown.
Oh, for the unknown. For what could happen.
En 'n kort
Tyd
tyd
alles gechange. In 'n kort tyd alles gefein.
En 'n kort tyd het jy my bewys.
Oh!
Hoe liefde kon
Kees gooi my roskie as ys. Oh!
gooi meer was jy as ys. Oh,
I feel like that picture, that scene with Rizzo Real when he's with the guitar by that wall part, I feel like that can be a song cover or album cover on its own, bro. That is such a like a nostalgic look, bro. You chilling there on the floor with the guitar, bro. It's like really a nostalgic look, like a proper R&B artist from the early 2000s, bro. Or I'd say the late 90s with, don't know who those people were, but my grandfather would know them. He was like these white guys with scruffy hair and shit that used to play guitar. See, here's it. Whiskey as Ace. Woo. Yo.
That's why he's the GOAT! The GOAT!
Yo.
Damn!
Damn, Rizzo! Nah, that was smooth, bro. Nah, I can finally say I finally met someone that was slicker than Slick Rick, bro. Nah, that was smooth. That outro was smooth. I have to listen to that again, bro. I feel like that is like a yearling frequency or something. Don't know why, but I feel like that's a frequency for yearling or something. Damn, Rizzo. I must say, this is definitely a certified banger without a doubt. Nah, that's a certified banger. Rizzo Real. This is just making me so excited for your EP that's going to be dropping. Because I heard rumors going around that each and every individual of the 13 Records group is going to be dropping an individual EP. And I think they're going to be working on a joint EP after, or they are working on a joint EP that they're going to drop after they drop all their single EPs. But this track in a kort tyd, yo, go. Don't know like what has gotten into Rizzo lately, but this man's soul on his music, like the soulfulness on his music is like it's like on a different level, go. Remember when we reacted to Rizzo Real's EP, the Liefde for Pain EP. That is when I really noticed Rizzo Reel's like passion for music, and that he's really got a unique gift, that he's got a gift for this shit. When I listened to the EP, bro, I still listen to some of those tracks today. The one track, If It Ain't You, yo, that's my favorite track, Rizzo, from that EP. But this track just got me so excited for this EP that's going to drop. But y'all, let me know what you guys think about this track in the comment section below. Is this a good track to start off for his EP, to like give us a warm-up for his EP? Just know this is my first track I've listened to today, and my first reaction of the day, and my first joint of the day. So, nah, this is a perfect track in my opinion to start off the day. This is the most perfect track. I couldn't start it off with any better R&B track that like recently released than Rizzo Real in a kort tyd. But yeah, for all of you that are watching this, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video, turn those notifications on. And all you artists that's out there that wants me to react to your music video or audio that's out there on YouTube, I got a WhatsApp group for each and every artist that wants to join and wants me to react to their music video or audio that's out on YouTube. No matter if it's on YouTube or it's on Audio Mac, on Spotify, or whatever. Plug your links in that group, your latest links, and I'll do whatever I gotta do and do what I gotta do. I'm gonna do whatever I gotta do and do what it's gotta take.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
To do a reaction on that thing for you. But yeah, that was another banger with Tito the GOAT. Bruh. I'm gonna check you in the next one.